Welcome to Coding Classic. In this video, I will teach how to create simple search bar like this with HTML and CSS. And you can add this to your project. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. So let's begin. First, create your HTML file and also your CSS file. Start with the HTML boilerplate, which is the basic things to learn when learning HTML. Then, connect or link your HTML and CSS file. I used Font Awesome search icon on this project, so you have to add the Font Awesome link to display the icon. You can get the link from their official website or from W3 School. Add the link in the head of your project. So let's add some structures in the body of our HTML. Here is the outcome of what we have done so far. Let's style our search bar to look good. Starting from the body of the page. Here is the preview. Let's style the search box to look good. Here is the preview. Let's style the search input to look good. Here is the preview. Styling the search icon. Something is wrong somewhere. The icon styling did not work. Let's look for the problem. The problem is because I did not add the search icon class on the HTML. Here is the outcome. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.